got a 50 on me, but I told her I keep it 100. Since I was a little nigga, I just about to go give me some money.
I need to go LV. I'm gonna grab some shoes. I need to get lit. Clothes, cargos, trackies. I want to get trackies. Do you know what it is? I love trackies, bro.
Yeah.
They're busting out a work block and LV trackies feel different, bro. Oh yeah, POV. You're in the ends. Man rolls up to you and just pulls this up. Oh, what are you saying again? What are you saying, bro? What are you saying?
Where are you from, bro?
Where are you from?
Why are you running, bro? Nah, I could never.
Yeah, a little quick try on haul. SCH. Do you know when you go like skiing or something, you should rock them?
Yeah, just like
that's
getting,
fly.
getting around the French Alps.
Well, I'm thinking I'm gonna cop these ones. Do a little try on.
Yeah.
What are you saying, chat? Do you know what it is though? I feel like that is a bit bait. I do feel like that is a bit bait, but I don't mind. What do you say, babe?
Can't lose them.
Why? What happens when I wear these? I lose them on the jet ski, don't we?
Yeah, they just fly. Yeah.
So just a fly boy, man. Alright, yeah, these are done. Then let's go LV. One last shot, see what else we can get. And get out of here, man. Shopping thing's long.
That is hard, though.
Body in there.
That's like really
I'll
hard.
try it on for this level.
That's like Europe winter vibe.
Let me try this one.
Yeah, because I think that's pretty suave. It's giving like white t-shirt underneath.
This one's baggy though. Look how baggy.
Yeah, it's the wrong size though, isn't it?
Oh. No, this is perfect. What do you mean, babes? We can go out like this.
You can't even scrap in that. Oh, that looks cute. That's like couple goals. Oh, smuggling your girlfriend in a jacket.
Idiot.
Let's get Priya on the couch.
Yeah, babe, you can do it.
She's good at this.
What, like this? It's a small bro.
That's mad.
Is anyone taking me seriously in this?
Nobody's taking you serious in that.
This is like traffic.
What the fuck?
Ooh.
Okay, I'll try these. Hey,
Yeah, come.
Driving the winter, I'm taking a goose. In the summer, I take off the brain. She likes a man that holds it down, spend racks in Louis Vuitton. But he had a chain before his first house, baby, he's doing it wrong.
Bro, you know what's fucking crazy, bro? 4 years ago, I used to work at Hugo Boss. And I used to work in the back room. Take friends with everybody, like my own workers and the manager. I thought they were my boys. And when it finished, not a peep. I said to him, I don't give a fuck, bro. I'm just be myself. And look how that turned out.
Yeah.
But now we're in VIP, LV back room in Dubai. Levels, bro. This isn't Harrods. 90% of the day, bro, what do we do?
Work.
Simple.
Yeah.
This is the result.
Yeah, and if we showed people what we actually did all day, they wouldn't want to see it.
Boring, bro. Success is boring. Like sitting on Upwork sending proposals every single day is boring, it's monotonous, but most people don't do it. Most people don't stick to it.
Oh, we got everything now.
Oh wow, that is fly. No, you smashed it, that bro. This looks fire.
Fire. With the is that matching the trousers? Is it?
Matching the trousers.
Yeah.
The colour and the pattern, spot on with this. Thank you. Right, this one.
That's a nice one.
I like it.
Salut. Approved. Thank you very much, my bro.
It's got busy and made me a change. Spray up the booth and look great when I do it. I swear they don't make them the same. Bay in the coops when it.
Oh, there we go.
Driving the winter, I'm taking a goose. In the summer, I take off the brain.
If I left anything, message me.
Down, spend racks in Louis Vuitton. But he had a chain before.
Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thank you very much for tuning in. I haven't got nothing to sell you. You know, most people do vlogs, they sell them at the end. I haven't got nothing to sell. The vlog was pretty good, it was fun. I enjoyed this type of stuff. I don't really shop. This is the first time I've shopped in a long time, to be honest, about a year. So yeah, it was fun doing that with you and bringing you guys on this journey. If you do want to know what I do, how I do, or my story, or how you can make money yourself, I actually have a free course, completely for free, on YouTube. You can go check it out right here, there, maybe there. Peace.
Take you what the fuck up, nigga.
Nobody don't wanna cry no more.
Fucking crushed it.
I seen years go by, but band been flying more.